We've mapped the nervous system. Now we arrive at its crown, the brain, and the smartest way to understand the brain is to climb it from the bottom up, because in a real sense it's built in layers, from the ancient and automatic to the recent and remarkable. At the base, where the spinal cord meets the brain, sits the brainstem, the oldest part governing the functions you can't live without. Breathing, heartbeat, basic arousal. Damage here is often fatal because this is the machinery of staying alive. Tucked behind it is the cerebellum, the little brain, coordinating balance, posture, and smooth practice movement. It's heavily involved when you learn to ride a bike or play an instrument. Moving up into the center, we reach a cluster of structures often called the limbic system, deeply involved in emotion and memory. The thalamus is the brain's relay station, routing incoming sensory signals to the right destinations. The hypothalamus, tiny but mighty, regulates hunger, thirst, temperature, and drives, and it commands the hormonal system. The amygdala is the brain's threat detector and emotional core, central to fear and to the emotional weight of memory. And the hippocampus is essential for forming new memories. When it's damaged, people can lose the ability to lay down new memories at all, while older ones remain. At the top sits the crowning achievement, the cerebral cortex, the wrinkled outer layer that makes us distinctly human. Those wrinkles aren't decoration. They pack enormous surface area into a small skull. The cortex is divided into two hemispheres, left and right, connected by a thick bridge of fibers called the corpus callosum, and into four lobes in each hemisphere. The occipital lobe at the back handles vision. The temporal lobes on the sides process hearing and language. The parietal lobes manage touch and spatial awareness. And the frontal lobes, just behind your forehead, are the seat of our highest functions: planning, judgment, impulse control, personality. We know this partly from a railroad worker named Phineas Gage, who survived an iron rod through his frontal lobe but emerged a changed man, his judgment and restraint shattered, a haunting demonstration that personality lives in tissue. One more crucial idea: the brain is plastic. It rewires itself with experience, which is how we learn and how we recover from injury. There's one more biological communication system we haven't touched, slower than neurons, but reaching everywhere through the bloodstream. That's the endocrine system, and it's our final stop.